Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another unboxing video. And you guys, I told you when I did the video yesterday that I had high hopes for Bloomingdales, and I was sure they would send me one that was better packaged than the one they sent yesterday. The one they sent yesterday had 2 pieces of tissue paper around a dust bag with a bag inside, and the straps were all wrinkled up. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it down below. On the whole, the bag's okay. It has a few little things, and I wouldn't return it if it hadn't been for the fact that I had this one ordered as well. The day after I purchased that bag, which is identical to the one in this box that is too small for it, the day after I purchased that bag, they came out with a gift card for every $100 spent, and I could earn a $75 gift card. So I called them and said, can you just give me the gift card? And they said no. So they said, but we'll reorder it for you. That's what I did. Hence the box. Hence the unboxing the day after the other unboxing. And it's a mystery. Is this box, I mean, look at this. This is not good news for this bag inside. I mean, come on, people. I feel like this is a little bit scary. I have fear, real fear and dread about what I'm going to find inside of this box. I do think that they put 2 pieces of tissue paper in once again. But they definitely, yes, let's see, 2 pieces of tissue paper. They definitely wrapped it the same way. It's looking like the bag is going to emerge from the dust bag in a very similar fashion than it did yesterday. These are not factory wrapped bags. And I mean, it's just kind of sad. I mean, I can tell you right now that this just makes me want to cry just a little bit. I mean, oh gosh, I don't know. Let's look her over. It definitely has that little rippling that was on the other one right on the bottom, right here. And I mean, that's no big deal. I said that yesterday, but that's the same. So that may just be where they end the stitching, and they might just do a double row of stitches right there from the inside. It is crushed. It looked like it was a little bit crushed right here. I don't know if I can poof it back out. It's just sad that they treated it like this. She seems so unhappy. I mean, just the way that it caves in like that, the other one doesn't do that. So I would say that the other one, let me get out my spectacles so I can examine this one just a little better. I mean, this one has a little crease right here. The other one had a couple tiny little dents. I mean, just really minuscule up here. But the way that this bag is caved in right here, I don't think that that's going to autocorrect. So I think I'm just going to keep the other one. I mean, it looked really good. And considering I got 2 for 2 wrapped this way, I have a feeling they don't have this bag laying around their factory wrapped up, and they're going to come from the store like this. And basically what I paid for this bag, if you subtract out the $75 off, the $75 gift card, that's $150. And then I didn't pay tax, which would have ended up being about $25 for me had I bought it from Saks, 5th Avenue. So I saved on this bag $175. So that works out. So where I paid, I mean, really, you can just take $150 off of the $425. So let me do my math skills real quick. That would be $375, $275. I paid basically $275 for this bag. That's a good deal. And I'm going to return this one with the receipt from the first order. And that way I get the better of the two. And I'm going to look over the straps and make sure that they're all okay on the other one. And I don't have any bad clips. That's something you always want to check with these Coach bags. Every once in a while, you'll get a clip that won't pop open or stay closed right or get stuck. And you don't want that. So this is just a wee bit disappointing. Boo, Bloomingdales, I'm surprised at you. I mean, this is poor behavior on your part. I do have a second little unboxing, and I haven't been doing fashion lately because it doesn't really seem like you guys like watching fashion from me that much. So if you want to check out at this point, that's fine. But these items are both still available in all the sizes, and I bought one in cream and I wore it for a day, and oh my God, I loved it so much. And I even wore it on a video. But this is the Terry, like, women's polo shirt. It doesn't have any buttons. It drapes really nicely open in the front. And I got it in the cream first, loved it. And so then I ordered it in navy, which is this color, and I wear a size medium, and they're only like $17.99, but they have sales all the freaking time. And then this one is in like a tan taupe color. And so it may not be my best color, but I think it'll look good with my coach hats. So I got those two. And okay, so I'm going to stand up because this top that I have on, I have been on the hunt for these. Every time one becomes available, I buy, and I'm to the point now where I might just buy one more. Let's see what I have here. I might buy one more of the mint colored one more purple, and one more coral, but I have like 3 black, 3 cream. I think I have 2 or 3 of the beige ones, and I have 1 purple, 1 mint, and 1 coral, and they are so comfortable. So I've got it on just with sleep shorts right now because I just took a nap, but this is double lined around here, but it's not like an elastic band right here. And I had it on earlier today when I did my pink video. This looks so good peeking out from the bottom of a suit, peeking out from the bottom of a sweater. And if you'll notice, it's just thick enough that it doesn't really, like, I do have bumps right there, and it doesn't really pick it up at all. And while I'm standing here, let me whip this Terry shirt on for you. I guess it sort of goes with these green shorts. It's not really meant to go together, and it definitely fits better without the shirt and without the shirt on underneath it, but it's just a nice loose fit, and the fabric is so soft. It doesn't pill up at all, and it really doesn't wrinkle. I mean, it is so comfortable. And I was thinking, I've got some cream pants that have like leopard spots that are this color that would be cute with it, but I also have, I mean, I've got all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can wear it with jeans, and then have your bag have like some pattern on it, and have this be kind of your base color. And I thought with navy, I mean, I'm always finding like palazzo pants and stuff that have like a little navy in them, and navy shirts are kind of hard to find, which is why I jumped on today's new edition on this tank in the navy, because I'm finding I'm wearing this tank around just by itself. It makes me feel kind of sexy and, you know, good about my body. And I haven't had a tank do that for me in a while. And I mean, I've gained like 10 pounds. And so I'm kind of self-conscious about it. I mean, not 10 pounds since I met you, but 5 pounds since I've met you. And I don't know, I know it's not that much, but I'll gain 5, then I'll gain another 5, and I'll gain another, and then I'll gain another 5 until I get up like 25. And then I'm really not happy. So when I find things that make me feel good about myself, I like to jump on them and buy a whole bunch. If you hadn't noticed that about me already, then you need to learn, because that's how I go. That's how I run. That's how I, what's the word? That's how I roam the streets. No, I don't roam the streets. That's how I roll. That's what I was thinking. I roll, I buy multiple colors in one item if I find that I love it. And these 2 items are things that I love. I will link the navy one, and when you click on the navy one, it'll bring up all the colors, and then you can see if they have your size. In a couple of them, they've got just big sizes. In a couple of the other colors, they have small sizes. And in the Terry, they have all the sizes and all the colors. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm curious to see what you think of Bloomingdale's lovely or not so lovely packaging snafu. I hope you all are having a fantabulous day, that you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And for the few of you that aren't subscribed, because I know a lot of you are, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell so you get notified of exciting and interesting new content just like this Also, you can find me on Instagram where I post links to all my videos as well as outfits of the day, although I have to admit I have been slacking there in the last few days. I apologize. Lord, I apologize. I'm not posting on Instagram like I should. It's just not my thing, but I'm trying to get better. So go over there, find me, the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, and I will try to do better just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you real soon. Bye.